You're watching Fort Meade TV, a service of the Moyer team and REMAX 100.
Hello, we're here today with Bill Hylind of Mortgage Master Inc. to discuss VA financing. How are you today, Bill?
I'm doing well, thank you.
First off, let me start by asking you who is eligible for VA financing.
Well, VA financing is available for all veterans, including active duty, some of the National Reserve folks, surviving spouses of folks killed in action or missing in action, and some of the National Guard and Reservists can use the eligibility as well.
Okay. Why would somebody want to use VA financing rather than other types of financing?
Well, VA financing is most attractive to buyers with little or no down payment. You can actually finance 100% of the purchase price of your home, and the huge advantage is that there is no mortgage insurance, so the savings are tremendous on that. You can also get the seller to pay some or all of your closing costs, so literally you could buy a house with little or no money at all.
Okay, sounds like a great program. I understand there's a VA funding fee associated with using this program. What is that, and how does it work for first-time buyers versus repeat buyers?
Well, the VA funding fee is a guarantee for the private lenders that allow VA financing. The VA actually does not lend the money, private lenders do. So the funding fee is a guarantee to the lenders to take some of the risk out that a normal mortgage insurance product would cover. So currently, if you are a first-time buyer, the funding fee is 2.15% of the loan amount, or in most cases for VA, the sales price. If you are a repeat user and you've used your eligibility before, you can also still do VA financing, and the funding fee is 3.3% on those types of loans.
And do you actually have to pay this funding fee at the time of settlement, or is it rolled in?
No, that's the beauty. You can pay it if you like. You can have the seller even pay it. But most people actually finance it into their loan. So for example, in a first-time home buyer, if you had a $100,000 loan, their loan amount would be $102,150, which is the 2.15% on top of the $100,000 purchase price.
Well, if this is such a great program, would there be any circumstance where a veteran would not want to use VA financing?
Well, the only time I would say not to use VA financing if you have enough cash to do other programs. For example, if you had 20% down, you wouldn't want to do VA for the funding fee issues, naturally. If you had less than 20% down, you may consider an FHA finance loan, but FHA does have the monthly mortgage insurance, and they also have an upfront mortgage insurance premium. So it really depends on what the customer has and what his goals are as to whether we would do that. Most of the time, if they want zero down, that's the best way to do it. That's the benefit of being a veteran.
Absolutely. So how would people who are watching this video be able to get in contact with you?
Well, the best way to reach me always is via cell phone. It's on my hip at all times. It's it's a BlackBerry too as well. So 443-570-9233.
All right. Well, thank you for talking with us today, Bill, and thank you for watching Fort Meade TV. Thank you for watching this episode of Fort Meade TV. If you'd like to contact the Moyer team or receive more information on any of the programs or organizations discussed in this episode, you can reach us at 443-745-1593. Again, that number is 443-745-1593. Thank you for watching.